Part 1. Dealing with Debt Collectors. If you're being harassed by debt collectors, it's important to know your rights and understand your situation. First, what kind of debt do you have? Consumer debt is money you owe for expenses like credit cards, car loans, student loans, hospital or doctor bills, gym memberships, and cell phones. Third-party debt collectors sometimes buy consumer debt from companies where you may or may not owe money, and sometimes simply are hired by a company to collect a debt. They may even file a lawsuit against you to collect. Dealing with a debt collector can be scary, but remember, you have rights. Tom has unpaid credit card debt and is being harassed by debt collectors. Fortunately, Tom is protected by the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, a federal law that prohibits unfair collection practices by third-party debt collectors. Under the FDCPA, debt collectors can't call between 9 p.m. and 8 a.m., harass you, threaten you, call family members, neighbors, and employers about your debt, lie about the amount owed or the status of the debt, or falsely claim that they are attorneys or government representatives, that you have committed a crime, or they work for a credit bureau. Tom notifies the collector in writing to stop communications and send him written verification that the debt is accurate and truly his. This gives Tom some time to consider his options. The FDCPA has provisions that help Tom engage with his collector constructively and possibly work out a more manageable schedule for paying off his debt. Tom has the right to sue a debt collector who violates the FDCPA within 1 year of the violation. For this reason, he documents potential violations by saving voice messages from the collector and keeping a log of when he's been called and what the debt collectors said. Many states have their own debt collection laws with additional protections to the FDCPA. If the original creditor is harassing Tom, the FDCPA doesn't apply, but he may have rights under state law. Remember, even if a debt collector violates the FDCPA, the debt does not go away. It is extremely important that you respond to the lawsuit, either personally or through a lawyer, by the date specified in the court papers. For more information about responding to a lawsuit, watch Video 3. Don't assume that a debt collector is telling you the truth about the law. Visit this website to learn more.